Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hello, welcome. And who are you guys?
We are Pompeyo family. My name is Natalia, our daughter Katarina, and my husband George.
Okay, and where are you all from?
From Sarasota, Florida.
And I presume this is going to be a dog act?
Yes.
They look like little lions, don't they?
No.
And how many doggies live at home with you?
We have 18 dogs altogether.
No, you don't.
18 dogs in the house?
And most of them come from shelters.
Okay,
Ah, that's good.
good for you.
We love our dogs like our kids, and it's just part of our life.
And what's the big dream?
We won our own show in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Okay, well, listen, I can't wait to see this. Good luck.
Thank you.
I do look like lions.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you want more, click right down here and subscribe. Mwah.